Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance mock trading. First, navigate to the Binance website or open the app on your device. Mock trading is a fantastic tool for beginners and experienced traders alike, offering a safe space to hone your skills. You can experiment with various strategies and learn how the market moves without any financial risk. It's a direct simulation of the live trading environment. To get started, once you're in the Futures section, look for the three-dot menu or a profile icon, then select Mock Trading. You'll be prompted to connect your main account to the test environment, which is a quick and easy step. Binance provides a generous virtual balance, often up to 100,000 USD, allowing you ample funds to practice. Remember, these are not real funds, so there's no pressure. Now for the exciting part. Placing trades. The mock trading interface mirrors the live futures market, offering over 200 crypto assets. You can choose your desired asset and then select an order type, such as a limit order to buy at a specific price or a market order for immediate execution. Experiment with leverage, up to 125 times, to understand its impact on potential gains and losses in a controlled setting. After placing some trades, it's crucial to analyze your performance. The platform provides detailed reports on your simulated profit and loss, helping you understand what worked and what didn't. This feedback is invaluable for refining your trading approach before you consider using real capital. You can review your simulated profit and loss and understand how different strategies perform. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll build confidence in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.